Hello friends! I am super excited to walk you through my final project and provide some background on my strategy and design thinking for raising awareness on a topic I care very much about, which is mass extinction. Throughout the semester, I have had the opportunity to better understand the role visual communications can take between a sustainability issue like extinction and then link it back to human behaviors. With this final project, I explored the opportunity to bring awareness to mass extinction via the platform of social media. So why am I focusing on mass extinction? Well, we have become incredibly disconnected to what is happening in the natural world and how daily choices, even the most mundane, can impact our fellow living beings. All these choices have added up to a really big problem, an event which scientists and critics are calling the sixth extinction. So what is the problem exactly? Well, just for some background knowledge, there have been 5 major extinctions throughout the Earth's natural history, and we are well underway into the 6th. Currently, our planet is experiencing Anthropocene, or the new epoch, where humans are making an imprint on the fossil record. And our biggest contribution to marking our time spent in natural history is the massive rate of extinction of our fellow living beings. Not only is humanity disrupting what took billions of years to evolve, experts say that within 100 years, over 50% of Earth species could be wiped out. And what's even worse, extinction is a major crisis that humanity is not actively prioritizing. Extinction is driven by human behaviors in 2 ways. Direct human impact, which is things like deforestation and habitat loss and pollution. And secondly, global climate change. Global climate change is things like the Earth's temperature rising, CO2 levels increasing in the ocean, and seasonal changes. Each individual problem I just mentioned is massive and it's complicated. And from an individual's perspective, mass extinction is a huge problem that seems impossible to solve. So, how do you get started? To raise awareness, making the connection between day-to-day habits and then how those habits impact the well-being of the entire planet could be a solution. In order to reach people quickly, because extinction is a timely problem, social media channels like Facebook could be used as a medium. So, why a social media campaign? It's no secret, social media has become a huge part of our world's dialogue. The average person in America spends up to 50 minutes a day on Facebook alone. What's also interesting is that the user experience has shifted on social media. No longer are they there for just connecting with their friends, but users are also there to connect with causes and trusted news sources. So by designing visual communications to be optimized for Facebook, there is an opportunity to create a movement to digitally inspire change. The first priority would be to design digestible and empowering visuals. Even though Facebook is probably one of the best options for a messaging platform, it can get sticky. On Facebook, the user experience happens really quick. In less than a second, a user can choose to like or dislike or keep scrolling. Hooking people to pause, to absorb the content, and then retain the information can be boiled down to a simple formula. Within this project, in particular, I made 3 rules of visual communications. First, catch the eye. Get the user to pause. Use eye-catching visuals and motion. Second, keep it simple. Create one important takeaway and then get to the point quickly. Users tend to spend less than 7 seconds on a post if engaged, so get the message to them in a very direct way. Number 3, easy call to action. Tell them what to do with this information. Should they learn more? Should they share? Give them an opportunity to continue engaging. Within this project, the call to action will be to learn more in a microsite. So who are we talking to? The priority audience for this campaign is the social media managers of established, trusted authorities on animal conservation. Instead of starting from scratch, creating visuals that institutions like the National Geographic, World Wildlife Fund, and the Dodo would share on their channels would get the message out quicker to a larger number of people. The ideal outcome for this project would have a mini campaign with visual assets, raising awareness about human behaviors and linking them to mass extinction. The result is shareable content that delivers a message in an engaging set of visuals. Well, as always, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you so much for a great semester. I learned a lot from everybody in the class, and I'm really excited for what's next in the program. Have a great holiday, and see you in the spring. Bye!